Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing with you a video on how to apply the glitter the right way. I hope you find this video helpful, and let's get into it. First thing you want to do is just apply one coat of any glitter of your choice, but then you want to use a cosmetic sponge and apply glitter to it. With this, what will happen, the sponge will absorb all the clear nail polish and it will leave you with just glitter, and then you just sponge it onto your nail and you are all set. I did this a couple of times, I think 2 times, and I had amazing results. I especially love this nail polish for holidays, and I think it's so pretty, so that's the reason that I got it. I hope you find this helpful because for me this was game changer, and I do love filming back-to-back videos for you guys so you can watch and learn with me, and I just want to share my tips and tricks. So yeah, also you always want to top it off with some top coat, especially if you get a glitter that it's a little bit textured, then you want to do 2 coats of top coat, but in my case I didn't really have to do 2 coats. I was so pleased with the result. It gave me beautiful shine and packed glitter, so that's what I always want. And I hope you guys have a great day. Never let anyone dull your sparkle, and I will talk with you in my other video. Bye.